In Scanifly's remote design tool, you will find different reference layers that will allow you to complete an initial design as accurately as possible. On the left menu under reference layers, you will find map sources like Google, Bing, or Mapbox. If those images are not good enough for a design, you can also request a Nearmap image when available. Additionally, you will find LiDAR and Google 3D as extra reference layers, which will inform you of different heights, roof pitches, and tree locations like in this example. All remote design tools use the same data, but not every tool tells you how old the data is. Because we understand how valuable this information is for an initial design, we're very transparent with it. Next to each layer here on the left, you will be able to see how old the data is. In this example, we have a Nearmap image from May 2023. For LiDAR, this is from 2019, and Google 3D from 2022. You can use this information to design accordingly. Please don't forget that remote data can be outdated or not the most accurate. Therefore, we always recommend validating your designs on site using drones and Scanifly's 3D models.